Alright everyone, welcome back to how to create a base defense game in Unity. This is session 6, which is recap and Q&A. So basically, if you guys have any questions you can ask, or if you need anything after you finish, if you have any ideas you want to work on, I actually will expose a few ideas to you, and during this tutorial you can go ahead and ask them through inbox if you need it. So everything's good. So we have achieved a cool game. The first thing that we did was we talked about base defense games. We scoped our project. We had some definitions. We look at this. We drew. We checked examples. Everything worked just nice. Then, the game setup. We searched for some assets. We found these assets with awesome assets, which is level 1 monster pack, simple low poly village buildings, mage tower. And the other thing that we found was the simple UI asset that I usually use for UI in my tutorials because they are amazing. Check them out on the asset store. So then we have the Gameworld creation. We created this Gameworld. We added a skybox that we can see in the game. When the camera is farther, I will actually set up the camera better now. I will move it back a little and then back on this direction. And then I'm gonna rotate it up so we can see the beautiful background that we found on the asset store. We can see it over here. And then we set up some prefabs, some scripts. Session 3 started. We set up our headquarters, our base enemy, big and fast enemies, and then we made enemies automatic and smart. Finally, we designed the towers. We created each type of tower. Arrow, bomb, and freeze. Freeze slows enemies, bombs AoE too, but deals more damage. And our arrow tower just attacks one enemy but real fast. Basically that's what you can do. And then session 5.1 I set up some tower upgrades. So let's see how this works. We're gonna hit play and the enemy starts spawning. We can create towers over here with clicking on these little squares. We can upgrade the towers by clicking on them, and then we can also we can't click on this apparently, but that's fine. So basically that is it. That is what we did. So to expand on this, I would recommend to get gold, to create some gold system, to create a store. If you're gonna release it on mobile, a store is always good. All of this will work on tap, so mobile will work just fine, just correctly for this type of game. It's all good. And the other thing that you could do is create more types of enemies, create way more levels. As you know, we have this level controller set up that will allow you to set up the timings for the enemy spawns, which enemies when you want them. And yeah, basically we have a full game, full-fledged game, full-fledged prototype that with only a few more hours of work, you will be able to even commercialize. Like this is how good this tutorial series was. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and let's go and continue on learning with more videos. Check out my other tutorials. Ramon Dev here. See you guys later.